Hello everyone, this is Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'll show you on how you can add resin profile in Chitubox. So it's going to be extremely simple. The first thing that you want to do is to just head over to your project. And from here, you then want to navigate through this option called the material configuration. Now to add your own profile or to basically import one, you have to click on this plus icon. Now inside, navigate through resin. And to import one, you have to click on this specific button right here. So just click on it, look for your resin profile, and then you should be good to go. And if you want to add your own profile, you want to go ahead and duplicate the selected profile first. So I'm going to select this one. And then, of course, right after, we could just rename this to whatever we want to. Let's go ahead and name this profile 001. And then now we have the ability to manually edit out this specific resin profile. And from there, we are good to go. Just click on save and you should be good to go. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.